Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for April the 5th through April the 9th. Welcome back, Jaguars. I'm sure there are many spring break stories to share. I can't wait to hear some of them. All Kingsport City schools will be in session 5 days this week. Our menu for the week is as follows: Monday, chicken and waffle; Tuesday, baked ziti and garlic bread; Wednesday, egg and cheese omelet; Thursday, ham and cheese sub; and on Friday, wild mac cheese bites and sauce. Jaguars, thank you for continuing to correctly wear your mask, washing your hands often, and practicing social distancing. Please communicate with your teacher if you're not feeling well or someone in your home is under quarantine or is tested positive for COVID. Jefferson families, once again, please familiarize yourself with the FAQ for COVID-19 absences posted on this slide. Jefferson families, we have many things going on at Jefferson over the next few weeks, so listen up. Preschool screening and kindergarten registration will be taking place this week. The information is included on this slide, as well as posted on the Kingsport City School website. Parents of 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade students, T and Ready state testing will begin on April the 21st and go through April the 30th. If at all possible, parents, we ask that you refrain from scheduling appointments for your child or family travel during these dates. Guess what, Jaguars? Jefferson is hosting another fundraiser for our school. It's a win-win for you and our school. So come on out to Ultimate Shine Car Wash from now until June 30th. Leave with a clean car, and Jefferson will receive 30% from your visit. You can use the code as many times as you would like until June the 30th. There are specific steps to follow. Those steps are posted on this screen, and we will also post them on your class dojo later on this week. Stomp, chomp, and big roars! Here comes the dinosaurs! Our Dynamite Scholastic Book Fair is coming soon and will turn the Jefferson Library into our very own mini bookstore for 2 weeks, from April the 5th until April the 16th. This gives you 2 opportunities to shop the book fair during your regularly scheduled library daytime. There are so many books to choose from for every kind of kid: adventure, sci-fi, graphic novels, and even laugh-out-loud stories. So don't forget to have your parents sign you up for the e-wallet, the digital payment system. Students who sign up for the e-wallet will get to spin the library prize wheel. Jaguars, it sounds like you are in for some dinosaur fun. Hey Jefferson families, the Jefferson Elementary Virtual Pop Art Food Show will be posted this week. Be on the lookout for scrumptious foods and delectable sweets. So take a look at these creative artists displaying their magnificent creations. You are in for a treat of what's to come. And now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. So a big happy birthday shout out goes to, in 3rd grade, Dolson E., 3rd grade, Santi E., and in 2nd grade, Santos R. for celebrating their birthday on April the 5th. And on April the 6th in 5th grade is Jacob L. And in 4th grade, EC M. And on April the 7th in 4th grade, Aaliyah J. And in kindergarten, Julius MC C. On April the 8th in 2nd grade, Natalie A. And on April the 9th, celebrating a birthday in 2nd grade is Trevin J. And in 5th grade, Emma W. On April the 10th in 4th grade, Brindley D. And on April the 11th in 5th grade, Elaney P. Happy birthday, Jaguars. Hope you enjoy celebrating. You are an amazing gift to our world. Let's celebrate the leaders of the week who were highlighted during large group on Friday, March the 26th. In kindergarten, Bailey A., Carter L., Gannon M., and Oliver T. In 1st grade, Cora D., Harper F., Dylan K., Andy M., and Charlie S. In 2nd grade, Abigail C., Cole I., Jasmine M., and Cress R. In 3rd grade, Paxton B., Elizabeth C., and Gabe L. In 4th grade, Caden C., Cooper D., Tanner D., and Gabe S. And in 5th grade, Matthew W., Cephas T., and Laney P. Way to go, guys! You did a great job taking the lead. You make us Jaguar proud. And now join me for some words of wisdom. As you can see from all the announcements, we have a lot of things happening at Jefferson. Did you know that we have 33 and a half school days remaining to finish out this school year? So here is the challenge for all of us. Finish strong. So Jaguars, what choices do you need to make to finish out this year strong? Take a moment and work on that plan, and then share it with someone so they can encourage you along the way. And then finally, do what it takes to make it happen. Come on, Jaguar family, let's choose to finish strong. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.